What is up, guys? Welcome back to the new video, and today, like in a couple of previous videos, we're gonna be watching a lot of driving fails. And also, guys, on the last video we had 0 dislikes. One big fat 0. That's quite amazing, right? So thank you guys very much for that. You are the best. And now, with that said, let's dive into this. Alrighty, we are starting with a man in a van. Oh, that wheel decided to quit his job. He's had enough and he's off to the pub now. Always check your wheels, ladies and gents. Make sure everything is nice and tidy, just in case. Whoa, goddamn, son. I think on this channel we call that a pole position. Yes, we do. And by the way, those damn poles, man. You're minding your own business and the next thing you know, boom, one of those stupid poles hits you. Unbelievable. And what the hell are those two doing? What the hell was that, boy? I think the white car rear-ended the blue car. Reason unknown. Might be the phone, might be the pure stupidity. Who knows? Oh, just a gentle love tap. Oh, that guy's faster than his car. Right, moving on. Oh, what is that? Oh, holy moly! Well, that's not exactly what I had in mind when I said disinfect the streets, but it is what it is. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Whoa! Oh, the engine's gone. The engine's gone. Press F to pay respects. No one's gonna bring back that engine to life. No one. Not even baby Jesus. Oh, why that truck is parked in the opposite lane? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, damn. But actually, when I think about it, even if the truck was facing in the right direction, the result would have been the same. So yeah, avoid as much as you can stopping on a hard shoulder. It's really dangerous out there, as you can see. Oh dear. You get it? Oh dear. That was close, but everything is good. So moving on. And his name is John Cena. Oh, that was a T-bone and a half, I'll tell you that. Oh, brake, 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 brake. Oh. And honk, just for the good measure. Damn, they like to make a statement when they arrive. Turn off your indicator, fool. Whoa, what the hell was that? That was a stupid move. Turning right with your left indicator on. Makes sense. Oh, 2 Laras. This should be interesting. No, 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 no. Oh, man. Really? Really, dude? Oh. And one little fun fact. All of those cars in the previous video were Laras. You can go back and see for yourself. Oh! Oh, damn. Another pole takes out innocent guy. Please, guys, don't rear-end me. Don't rear-end me no more. Bum, 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 bum,
Oh,
bum.
God!
I guess there goes that request. Down the drain. And now, ladies and gents, it's question time. Where are you from and what's the most famous car from your country? Or the most popular one in your country, let's put it that way. And now Americans will probably be like, my Ford Raptor pickup truck is the best in the world, boy. Nah, I'm just kidding. So write your answers down below and now let's get back to action. Oh, no, 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 don't pull out, don't pull out, no, no, no. Oh, that's what she said. At least the airbag is working. At least there's some good news. Oh man, someone's gonna come in like a steam train, that's for sure. Oop, there we go. Karen, next time use your brakes, not your phone. And here woman was on the phone, didn't pay attention, and she hit our guy, and the rest is history. So, yeah, moving on. God damn, boy, that's a lot of pickup trucks. Oop, 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 oh. It looks like something is on sale here, because in all the rush they collided, so it's game on, I guess. Oh, and by the looks of it, we have here Valentino Rossi. Or do we? I don't know what to say, really. It's play stupid games, win stupid prizes. That's it. Whoa, 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 easy, Vasily. He was like, don't mind if I pop one illegal U-turn real quick. Whoa, whoa, that car came out of nowhere, man. I didn't see that black car at all. That's crazy. Ah, it's a good old turn left. Failed attempt. gone wrong, whatever you want to call it. Moving on to VIP area. Oh, excuse me, I didn't recognize ya. You must be important. And by the way, just to let you know, you ain't going through, mate. Yeah, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Oh, did they touch? Did they? I don't know. I think they did. Yeah. Oh, it's a Volga. Oh, hello there. Brate, Volga. Ja mislim da je to Volga, sad nisam siguran. Whoa! Those guys here are definitely playing with fire. I wouldn't. Whoa, 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 whoa! 5 birds, 1 stone. Is that what I say? Or maybe it's 2, I don't know. And kids, smoking kills. You have the example right here. What the hell is this guy? What? I'm confused a little bit. Whoa! That was a hard hit. What the hell went wrong there? Oh, easy does it. Easy does it. Whoa, 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 Merc. Whoa. That guy was probably drunk, because I don't have any other explanation. Reasonable explanation for what happened. And now, guys, I want to show you some very interesting road signs I found. So here's the first one. Well, here the message is pretty clear. And here, may the fourth be with you. Text I will not. And here, don't drive like a Anka. You know that word that Aussies like to use a lot. Right lane must right left. Right, that's it for the funny road signs. If you have anything to add, just let me know in the comments. Damn, that the last one was confusing. I'm not gonna lie. What? What the hell was that? It looks like something ate her. It was like, I don't like the bike. You can keep that piece of junk. It was very, very strange. Whoa! There goes the door. You don't need it anyways, because I don't think it's a legal requirement for you to have a door on a car, so maybe I'm wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think he should be good. It's, if nothing else, it's weight reduction, bro, so what else do you want? Whoa! Dear, oh dear. And look at that pole. Still standing strong. Unbelievable. They have some good poles in Russia, I'll tell you that. Quality stuff. What do we have here?
Yo.
What the hell was that? I'm confused, not gonna lie. Because... what was that move? Right, moving on, never mind that. Oh, it's gonna be a pile up. Oh, whoa, 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 how many cars? 5, 6. Oh, what are those? Look at those zebra stripes on that white car. Oh my god. That guy got some taste, I'll tell you that. Not really. Whoa, 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 whoa. Some people don't deserve the license. Whoa! Free concrete blocks or whatever the hell that is for everyone. Oh, that guy just got pit maneuvered. Pit maneuver practice complete. Proceed to the next one. That guy rides in a Ford and you ride into a ditch. My rap isn't that great, but it should do the trick. Ah! I'm losing my mind slowly but surely. That's for sure. Whoa! That's a big fail. Now, floor it, go for it, go for it, go through. Ah, you missed your chance, mate. Now it's too late. Boop! Come on, gotta move on. Alright, what do we have here? What is going on? What? I'm pretty sure that's not how you tow a car. That's not how towing is done, bro. But remember, we are in Russia, so there basically everything is possible, so just go with the flow. You know how it is. And on that note, ladies and gents, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. And also I had to mute some parts of this video because music, you know how it goes. And yeah, please leave a like and a comment, that's always appreciated. And subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.